Hello, my friends. In this episode, I will teach you 100 real English sentences for everyday shopping situations. You will hear each sentence clearly, and then you will repeat after me. Part 1. At the supermarket. Where can I find the milk? Now you repeat. Where can I find the milk? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? You want to know if something is cheaper today? Now you repeat. Is this on sale? How much is a kilo of apples? How much is a kilo of apples? You're asking about the price per kilo. Now you repeat. How much is a kilo of apples? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Now you repeat. Can I pay by card? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? You use this when you want proof of payment. Now you repeat. Can I get a receipt, please? Do you sell vegetarian options? Do you sell vegetarian options? You're asking about meat-free food. Now you repeat. Do you sell vegetarian options? Excuse me, these eggs are broken. Excuse me, these eggs are broken. You use this when you want to report a problem with eggs. Now you repeat. Excuse me, these eggs are broken. I'd like a bag, please. I'd like a bag, please. You use this when you need a shopping bag. Now you repeat. I'd like a bag, please. Part 2. Buying clothes. I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. You use this when you are not ready to buy anything yet. You are just looking. You are just browsing. Now you repeat. I'm just looking, thank you. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? You're asking if you can wear the item to check the size. Now you repeat. Can I try this on? Where are the changing rooms? Where are the changing rooms? You want to know where you can try on clothes. Or where are the fitting rooms? You want to know where you can try on clothes. Now you repeat. Where are the changing rooms? It's too big for me. It's too big for me. You use this when the item does not fit well. It's too big. Now you repeat. It's too big for me. Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in a medium? You use this when you're asking for a different size. Now you repeat. Do you have this in a medium? I'll take the black one instead. I'll take the black one instead. You use this when you're choosing a different color. Now you repeat. I'll take the black one instead. Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? You use this when you're asking if there is a lower price. Now you repeat. Is there a discount on this item? What's your return policy? What's your return policy? You use this when you want to know if you can return the item later. Now you repeat. What's your return policy? And here's the final one in this part. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? You use this when you're asking for a cheaper option, a lower-priced option. Now you repeat. Do you have anything cheaper? Part 3. At the pharmacy. Do you have anything for a headache? Do you have anything for a headache? You use this when you're asking for medicine to treat a headache. Now you repeat. Do you have anything for a headache? How often should I take it? How often should I take it? You use this when you're asking how many times a day you should use the medicine. Now you repeat. How often should I take it? Can I speak to the pharmacist? Can I speak to the pharmacist? You use this when you want to talk to a medical expert. Now you repeat. Can I speak to the pharmacist? Do you sell vitamins? Do you sell vitamins? You use this when you're asking for health supplements, such as vitamins. Now you repeat. Do you sell vitamins? Does this have any side effects? Does this have any side effects? You use this when you're asking about possible bad reactions. Now you repeat. Does this have any side effects? Part 4. At a market or small shop. Can you give me a better price? Can you give me a better price? You use this when you're asking for a discount, a lower price. Now you repeat. Can you give me a better price? Can I see the other colors? Can I see the other colors? You want to check more color options. Now you repeat. Can I see the other colors? It looks nice, but I'll think about it. It looks nice, but I'll think about it. This means you're not ready to buy yet. You need to think about it. Now you repeat. It looks nice, but I'll think about it. This is exactly what I was looking for. This is exactly what I was looking for. You use this when you find what you exactly wanted. Now you repeat. This is exactly what I was looking for. Can you wrap this for me? You're asking for gift wrapping. Now you repeat. Can you wrap this for me? Part 5. Shopping online. How long does delivery take? How long does delivery take? You use this when you're asking when your item will arrive. Now repeat this one. How long does delivery take? Do you offer free shipping? Do you offer free shipping? You're asking if the item will be sent to you free of charge. Now you repeat. Do you offer free shipping? Can I track my order? Can I track my order? You use this when you're asking to follow your package online. Now you repeat. Can I track my order? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? You use this when you're asking about returning items. Now you repeat. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? I haven't received my order yet. I haven't received my order yet. You use this when you are reporting a delivery problem. Now you repeat. I haven't received my order yet. Is my payment secure? Is my payment secure? You're asking if your card details are safe. Now you repeat. Is my payment secure? Can I change the delivery address? Can I change the delivery address? You use this when you're asking to send the item to a different place. Now you repeat. Can I change the delivery address? I'd like to cancel my order. I'd like to cancel my order. You use this when you want to ask to stop the order, to cancel the order. Now you repeat. I would like to cancel my order. Part 6. At a cafe or coffee shop. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? You use this when you're asking to look at the list of food and drinks. Now you repeat. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? You use this when you're asking for a food or drink suggestion. Now you repeat. What do you recommend? I'll have a coffee, please. I'll have a coffee, please. You use this when you want to order a cup of coffee. Now you repeat. I'll have a coffee, please. Do you have any non-dairy milk? Do you have any non-dairy milk? You're asking for milk that's not from animals. Now you repeat. Do you have any non-dairy milk? I'd like it with no sugar. I'd like it with no sugar. You use this when you're asking for your tea or coffee without sugar. Now repeat this one. I'd like it with no sugar. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please? You use this to politely ask for water. Now you repeat. Can I have a glass of water, please? Do you take card or cash? Do you take card or cash? You use this when you want to ask how you can pay. Now you repeat. Do you take card or cash? That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. You use this when you're saying your order is complete. Now you repeat. That's all, thank you. Part 7. Buying train tickets. Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? You use this when you're asking where to buy a train ticket. Now you repeat. Where can I buy a ticket? How much is a ticket to London? How much is a ticket to London? You're asking about the price for a specific destination. Now you repeat. How much is a ticket to London? What time is the next train? What time is the next train? You use this when you're asking when the next train leaves. Now you repeat. What time is the next train? Is this a direct train? Is this a direct train? You use this when you're asking if you need to change trains or not. Now you repeat. Is this a direct train? Does this train stop at Oxford? Does this train stop at Oxford? You use this to know if the train goes to a specific place, such as Oxford. Now you repeat. Does this train stop at Oxford? Can I book a return ticket? Can I book a return ticket? You use this when you're asking for a round trip, not just one way. Now you repeat. Can I book a return ticket? Do I need to book in advance? Do I need to book in advance? You use this when you're asking if you must buy your tickets early. Now you repeat. Do I need to book in advance? Can I get a student discount? Can I get a student discount? You use this when you're asking for a lower price if you are a student. Now you repeat. Can I get a student discount? Part 8. At a bookstore. Do you have this book in stock? Do you have this book in stock? You use this when you're asking if the book is available right now. Now you repeat. Do you have this book in stock? Where can I find travel books? Where can I find travel books? You're asking about the section with books on travel. Now you repeat. Where can I find travel books? I'm looking for children's books. I'm looking for children's books.
You're asking for a specific type of book, such as children's books. Now you repeat. I'm looking for children's books. Can I order it if it's not here? Can I order it if it's not here? You're asking to request a book they don't have. Now you repeat. Can I order it if it's not here?
How much is this one? How much is this one? You're asking about the price of a book. Now you repeat. How much is this one? Part 9. Buying shoes. I'm looking for a pair of walking shoes. I'm looking for a pair of walking shoes. Do you have this in size 42? Do you have this in size 42? You're asking if they have your size. Now you repeat. Do you have this in size 42? Can I try these on? Can I try these on? You use this when you want to see if the shoes fit. Now you repeat. Can I try these on? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? You're asking for one size up, okay? One size up. Now you repeat. Do you have a bigger size? You're saying the shoes fit well. Now you repeat. They feel comfortable. Part 10. Buying perfume or fragrance. I'm looking for a new perfume. I'm looking for a new perfume. You're telling the assistant you want to try something new. Now you repeat. I'm looking for a new perfume. Do you have any testers? Do you have any testers? You're asking if you can try before buying. Now you repeat. Do you have any testers? I'm looking for something light and fresh. I'm looking for something light and fresh. You're describing the kind of scent you want. Now you repeat. I'm looking for something light and fresh. Is this for men or women? Is this for men or women? You're asking about the target customer. Now you repeat. Is this for men or women? How long does it last? How long does it last? You're asking how many hours the scent stays on the skin. Now you repeat. How long does it last? Okay, well done. Thanks for learning with me. And until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now. Your progress doesn't end here. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.